Grumpy Butcher Philly Cheesesteak Sirloin Frozen Sandwiches, 4.0 ounces, pack of 8, fully assembled steakhouse quality, just heat and eat. Premium Philly Cheesesteak Sirloin Sandwiches, 4.0 ounces each, 8-pack. Fully cooked and assembled. From frozen to fresh in 1 minute or less. Just heat and eat. All natural, sous vide cooked, grass-fed beef sirloin slices on buttery soft bun. Topped with caramelized onions and aged cheddar cheese. Gourmet no-hassle steak sandwiches on the go. Preparation: oven bake 5 minutes or microwave 1 minute. Arrives frozen or partially thawed. Keep frozen. Eastern Standard Provisions Turnbuckle Soft Pretzel Sticks, freshly baked meticulously crafted artisanal pretzel snacks, includes gourmet salt, 12-pack. Not your average pretzel, meet the perfect soft pretzel sticks. These light and fluffy morsels are great for sauces, spreads, and a million other creative ideas. We especially love using them for a bread basket or sharing them as an appetizer. Plus, this 12-pack comes with 1 pack of our classic pretzel salt. Pair with our salts, sugars and sauces, pop a few of these in the oven to pair with your favorite dipping sauce or heat the entire bag of bites to serve as an appetizer. Elevate your taste buds and top with our artisanal flavored salts and sweet toppings, or smother with one of our craft mustards or gourmet sauces.